Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of March 11th, 2024, Part 2. This week's theme is dancing. Grace by Kate Parkinson. Grace wanted to dance. She tried. And she tried. And she tried. "Give up, Grace," the other girl said. Grace was sad. She made a picture and felt better. Grace made many pictures. Then she had an idea. The other girls loved what Grace made. Grace felt great. So she kept making pictures. She kept dancing too. The end. We're going to do some inverted chalk art, and all you need is your Craft-to-Go kit, which is a piece of black paper with a dancer affixed to it with glue dots. We'll take that off later. And a piece of chalk. So let me just get this off of here. My handy dandy staple remover, so I don't rip anything. So we'll take the chalk out. And all you're gonna do is color out from the picture. I'm laying it down. And once we're done, we'll have a nice outline of a dancer. So I'm going to finish doing that, and then I'll come right back. Okay, so I got the chalk all around the ballerina here, the dancer. And all I'm going to do is peel off the dancer very carefully. There's glue dots on here. They are removable though. And there should be about 6 of them on there, I think. That's 2, 3, yeah, 4, 5, and 6. And that's it. That's our dancer. If you have colored chalk at home, feel free to use different colors. I just had the white chalk, so mine's all white. And that's it.